Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you stop syncing your Google Drive with your Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to stop syncing your Google Drive with Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know your Google Drive can be cluttered, so maybe you want to stop syncing the Pipedrive documents into your Google Drive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to stop syncing with your Google Drive, you need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Company Settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here on the left, and you want to click on the Google Drive logo. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the email address to your Google Drive, and if it says active, that means it is currently syncing. So in order to stop that, you click on this red stop syncing button here on the right. Next, you'll see this pop up. Are you sure you want to stop syncing Google Drive? If you're sure about it, click on this red stop syncing button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Gmail email box right here, and you're going to see this reconnect button. So it is no longer syncing. It's no longer connected. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to stop syncing your Google Drive with your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.